Hey guys, we are back with another video. Today we have the Smatree Hardshell laptop case to unbox or to review. I've been using this for the past 3 days, and this is meant for the 15-inch MacBook Pro. But I don't have a MacBook Pro. I've been using my other laptop, my other 15-inch laptop, and it's fit just fine. I guess I'll show you guys around the item first. There it is. It's very simple, feels very high quality, and the branding is very minimal. And once you open it up, it's very nicely padded. It also has a sleeve over here. I haven't been using the sleeve as much. I've used this to just carry around my laptop and my a couple notebooks and whatnot, but it has worked just fine. This also has a lot of other features. They're listed onto the box actually. Here it is. Alright, so as it says, not sure if it's focused, but it says it's a Hardshell 360 protection, anti-water splash, ultra thin bag, a double zipper, anti-shock. For the anti-water splash, I tried splashing water. It doesn't really seep through, so it seems pretty good in that standard. So if it's a tiny little splash, it'll be able to resist. But the everything else seems to hold up very true. It is pretty hard. I haven't really dropped my laptop in this, but I would feel fully confident that my laptop would do okay if that scenario ever occurred. But yeah, as you can see, if I rotate this to the back, it has a zipper on each side, 2 zippers. It's a very solid seal inside there. It's very nice. I will also, I guess I'll show you this. This was pretty interesting to me. They have a whole lineup. This came wrapped around the little laptop case, and they have a lot of other products over here, which was very interesting to me. Oh, and by the way, this was only about $30 on Amazon.ca. Link will be in the description below if you wanna purchase it yourself. They also gave this little a little book right here with their other products. Very nice little book. If we open it up, we see their other products. We also see how to use them. Suggestions on what to carry inside and whatnot, such as over here very clearly. They also show the interior. And if you flip through, here's the one we have today, I'm pretty sure. There it is. And they also have these other smaller ones. So it's a very wide range of products. But I don't have those today. I only have this, and so far I can say is that I had a great experience using this. I definitely recommend it. Again, links will be down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate everyone watching, and please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.